my toddler friends, Miss Richatelli's with you outdoors again. And I still want to do water with you because water was so much fun before. And instead of only pouring and sorting and using the baster for water, I thought we're going to do different things. Well, some things that we did in the classroom, like wash with water. And I also came up with, I have this water mister that when I squirt it, sometimes mommy can let you help around the house, because if you squirt it on, let's say your door, if you have like a screen door that's glass, you can go up and down with this and clean it for mommy. But I came outside and I said, let me try showing you that if I squirt the water, all over, then I'll use, I will use, go up and down and get the dirt off. Isn't that a great idea? Look. So I'm helping. I always love to help clean, and I know you do too. Then after you're done, you can take a piece of paper towel and have fun doing this all day. Cleaning for mommy. Mom loves when you clean. Looks like I'm making more of a mess, but then I'll squirt more water and I use my squeegee and go up and down. So have fun doing that if you can. Now it's time to put on my apron, because whenever we play with water in the classroom, I always tell you to put on an apron. Sometimes you even have to go home with different clothes on if you get wet. That's okay, because I know that you had fun and playing with water. It's okay. So I'm going to put on my apron and I'm going to show you some fun things we can do before we actually wash them. I have water. Some water's in there. I'm going to add more. This is the water we used before. And I have even more water I want to use. Here's a lot of water. There's so much water in there now. Watch what I'm going to do. I have all these balls. What color? Red, right? When I put them in here, they're floating. I'm going to count. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember I told you 12 was also a dozen. And I have a scooper, so you can do fun different things too with the water. I'm scooping them up and I'm putting them in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I scooped them out, and you could always put them back in again and do that as many times as you want. That's fun. Here's some, oh, I hear an airplane. It's a helicopter. I wait. Okie dokes. Now you're going to be surprised I have something else. This is a rock. Can you see what shape it is? It's a heart. Isn't that cool? Doesn't it look like a heart shape? Okay, so I'm going to put some rocks in the bottom. They go right to the bottom. They sink. And look, this is a penny. Oh, went right to the bottom. Shiny penny. And this is called a cork. And I want you to see that the cork stays right on top. It floats. I also have a stick. Can you see this stick? And when I put it in the water, watch from on top here, that floats. And then I remember I had my cup from before. I just wanted to show you that that floats. So this is another special lesson I'm teaching you because certain things go to the bottom, they sink, and certain things stay on top and they float. So I'm going to put my hand, ooh, the water's cold, all the way to the bottom to take out the penny. That penny was heavy, so I guess it went right to the bottom and it would sink. Float. This big heart rock was heavy. That would sink. So my rocks sink and some things float. Did you like that lesson? You could bring out things and just place different stuff in there and say, oh, they do float. And also, remember the red balls, they float. You could take them out with even a strainer so that when you go on the bottom to pick it up, it just leaves you to scoop up the ball. This is called like a strainer. Okie dokes. What else can we do? This is my next idea. I found my grandchildren had different dinosaurs. You know what? I'm going to wash them and make them nice and clean for them. I have just a little bit of soap. You don't have to use soap at all. And I'm going to mix it up. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. I have a sponge, so I'm going to put my dinosaurs in here. And you could either use a sponge to clean them, their face and their feet and their hands and their belly, so nice and clean. Or I have a brush. I can scrub, scrub, scrub and make them nice and clean. So I have toys I can clean. I even have a gorilla. I don't know if you notice. Let me show you. Do you see even my sponge floats? Surprise, surprise. And I'm gonna clean his face and his arms and his belly, belly, belly and his back. So you could have fun washing your toys. Now when Miss Richatelli's done doing that, I need to take them out of the water. The next step is you gotta dry. You have to dry your animals because you're finished. Gotta take them out, and you take your time. You just wash and play and splash with the water and just enjoy your time outside. But you always have to clean up when you're done. Now the last thing I have to show you with cleaning up is, you see this big bucket of water. During school time, Miss Richatelli helps you, and some of my friends can do it by themselves. What you do is, you have to finish the task, so you take the water, but I'm telling you, this is a lot of water, so probably just leave it for mom or dad or whoever's special hanging out with you for the day. But Miss Richatelli is going to show you that I'm pouring all my water, because when I'm done, during school time, I leave it for my next friend to do. So now I'm going to take off my apron to finish my task and tell you that this was so much fun today. It was beyond fun. It was one of my favorite things to do, was to play outside with water. And I hope that you can get to do this or something like this, just to go outside and have fun. Okay, so I'm going to sing We Had So Much Fun Today. Can you please sing with me? We had so much fun today, so let's all say hooray! See